Hey YouTube, man, it's your boy Ty, man, back with another update on the Pamm. So right now we running at 162% and profit. Total profit done been made is 10K. Well, $10,249. And then like I said, this is all still for just the month of February, man. This is crazy. So for the week we was up 6%. Of course, we're not up nothing for the day. And then for the month, 156.60. Scroll on down. As you can see, man, this is for the month of February, y'all, man. I'm excited. I'm going to let y'all see the next, how these next couple months go as well. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to the channel. And then on the Zoom, this is the actual Pamm, Ty's Pamm. And then also I'm in some Bitcoin buys right now. And then I'm also gonna give y'all a sneak peek of the cash cow indicator too as well, man. Let me show y'all to you. So this right here is my new indicator. Let me just launch one real fast. And with this indicator, it tells you when to buy, when to sell, and everything, guys. See? Like right here, it said buy and then close buy. You would have got out right in profit. It told you to buy right here. You would have went up down, went in some little drawdown. And then it shot up to the sky. Bought. Just like now, it said buy up here. I waited and I entered like right off of this red and green line. Because you'll get better with it as you use this indicator. But I just wanted to give y'all a sneak peek of the cash cow indicator, which is going to be releasing real soon. So y'all make sure y'all like and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date about what's going on. And see y'all in the next update, guys. Peace.